So today I've been working on messaging some of my initial investors, people, friends and family that I think I might reach out to for an investment eventually. And someone gave me some great advice a couple weeks ago that I really thought I would like to share with you. And that is, a lot of times when you are looking for advice, you end up finding money. But if you're looking for money, you will find advice. And so if you go to someone and ask them for money, they might just say, "No thanks, but, insert advice here." But if you go to them and you ask for advice, they might say, "Hey, this is something I'm interested in. Can we talk about, investment?" And so what I've been doing this week is reaching out to my friends and family, and I'll just send them my pitch deck, right? My sample deal package. And what I say is, "Hey, can you give me some feedback on this? I'm trying to, get into real estate, and I would love your feedback on this because I know this is, something that you might be able to help me with." And so right now I'm kind of waiting back on responses, but I have a couple of responses that seemed really promising, like, "Hey, maybe I'd be willing to invest in this." So I'm super excited. Go try that because it's some good advice, in my opinion, and see if it works for you.